Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see clocks. So first we will start with the basics, then we will see the types. So a basic of clock. Okay. So from this clocks, first thing. So we will be having three hands in clocks. One is hour hand, second is minute hand, and third is seconds hands. But in aptitude question of clocks, we won't use seconds hands. We will use only two hands. One is hour hand, that is shorter hand, and longer hand is what? Minute hand. Okay, we'll be using only these two hands, not the second hands. And the total degree of the clock is 360. So if you find the clock, so total degree is what? It is 360 degree. 360 degree. So in a minute terms, if you say the total minute is what? 60 minutes. So 360 degree in degree terms, 60 minutes. Okay, so in one entire clock will be having 360 degree, or in minutes we will be having 60 minutes. Very important conversion is for every 1 minute movement, for every 1 minute, for every 1 minute, the minute hand will move. Minute hand will move 6 degrees. Very, very important conversion. For every 1 minute, the minute hand will move 6 degree. The hour hand will be having a movement of half degree. Okay, so this is very, very important conversions. For every 1 minute, the minute hand will movement is 6 degree. The hour hand movement is what? Half degrees. And in 60 minutes, the minute hand will gain 55 minutes on the hour hand. So for example, from 12 a.m. to 1 a.m., we can consider this time. Well, 12 a.m., both the hands will be coincide each other. Okay. At 1 a.m., what will happen? The minute hand will move entire circle, that is entire 360 degree, that is entire 60 minutes. So minute hand will move entire 60 minutes, correct? But at 1 o'clock, what will happen? The hour hand will move what? From 12 to 1. So it will cover the 5 minutes of the total minute covered by the minute hand. Okay, so totally this minute hand will go 360 degree. In the 360, the hour hand will cover 5 minutes. Okay, it will cover 5 minutes. So 5 minutes. So we can say in 1 hour, the minute hand will gain 55 minutes on the hour hand. Okay, 1 hour 60 minutes it will be covered by minute hand. In 1 hour 30 degree, that is 5 minutes will be covered by hour hand. So we can say totally it will gain only 55 minutes because 5 minutes is what? Overlap. 5 minutes is shaded by the hour hand. Third, in straight line, if the hands of the clock straight line means it may be like this. See this, for example, 6 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock. So this is a straight line. Okay, so it is called the hands of the clock is facing opposite direction. The hands of the clock facing opposite direction. 12 o'clock, this is also called straight line, but hands of the clock coincide. Okay, both are called straight lines, but this is the hands facing opposite direction. Here hands facing same direction. And the hands of the clock 90 degree means, for example, 3 o'clock. In this 3 o'clock, the 90 degree will be having how many minutes? It will be having 15 minutes gap. So 90 degree means it will be having 15 minutes gap. And same way, 180 degree means what? It will be having what? 30 minutes gap. 180 degree means it will be having 30 minutes gap. Right? So straight line we can call it as opposite direction. That is hands facing opposite. Straight line again it is facing same direction. Between two hands, if the degree is 90 degree, then there will be 15 minutes gap. Between two hands, if it is having 180 degree, then we can call it as 30 minutes gap. Both the hands coincide every 65 5 by 11 minutes. This is important for UPSC. Once UPSC asks question from this point, both the hands coincide after every 65 5 11 minutes. See this, we will derive this number. How we are getting this number in the next video. Okay, for example, 12 o'clock both hands coincide. Okay, 12 o'clock both hands coincide. After at what time, that is what, after how much time the hands again will coincide, means see this, it will coincide here, correct, around 1 5 5 by 11 minutes. So no need to worry about this fractions. We can do, we can derive how we are getting this answer. So see this, the time gap between these two is what, 65 minutes, 5 by 11. So every coincidence will happen after every 65 5 by 11 minutes, even from this to this. Next coincidence, there is overlapping of each hands will be happen like this. So next coincidence will be happen at 2 10 10 by 11 minutes. So what will happen? So this coincidence happens after 65 5 by 11 minutes. So meaning of it, what means what? Both hands coincide after every 65 5 by 11 minutes. So we can go in that same way and so on, we get the same answer. So after every 65 5 by 11 minutes, there will be a 0 degree. That is, there will be a coincidence, that is overlapping of each hands. Okay, so these are the types. We are going to see all these types in the next video. So once again, we can revise this basics. So two hands, one is longer hand is called minute hand, shorter hand is called hour hand. And then total degree is 360 degree, total minute is 60 minutes. Okay, in 1 minute, minute hand will cover 6 degree. In 1 minute, hour hand will cover half the degree. Okay, 1 minute 66 degree, half degree. And in every 60 minutes, the minute hand will gain 55 minutes. On straight line, and between two hands is 90 degrees called 15 minutes. Between two hands is 180 degree, it is called 30 minutes. And both the hands coincide after every 65 5 by 11 minutes. So these are the types we are going to see in the next video. Thank you.